Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we'll be exploring the Cook Islands. It's been on our bucket list for a while, so really excited to be here. So to get here we took a 6-hour direct flight from Sydney last night and arrived at the Rarotonga International Airport this morning. From there we did a domestic flight transfer to get up to Aitutaki, which is one of the 15 islands of the Cook Islands. So we're going to be here for 4 nights in total. Just checked into our first accommodation. It's a little cloudy now, so hoping it clears up. We'll be on Aitutaki for 4 nights in total and then back down to Rarotonga. And here's a quick room tour. We booked the beachfront villa, and here's our room. And an outdoor shower. Day 2 here on the Cook Islands on Aitutaki. About to head over and grab some breakfast. As you can see, it's a little rainy this morning. I think we got an inch overnight actually, and it's a bit windy. Hoping it clears up, and if it does clear up, gonna take the kayak over to that island. So it's been raining off and on since lunch, but decided to go for it. So we hopped into the kayak and we're heading over to this island right now. Alrighty, it's our last day here at the Aitutaki Lagoon Resort. So had breakfast earlier, and now just relaxing until we get picked up to head to our next resort, which is the Pacific Aitutaki. Alrighty, we've just checked into the Pacific Resort Aitutaki, and here's a quick tour of our accommodation. Well, that wraps up our time here on Aitutaki. We're currently here at the airport and about to head back to Rarotonga, where we're staying for the next 3 days. Checked in our last accommodation for the trip, so we're here on Rarotonga Island at the Manava villas. Alrighty, to kick off our day, we've just taken out the kayaks here at the Manava, and yeah, we're just gonna kayak around the lagoon here. There's an uninhabited island over there, so check that out first, then head over towards Murray Beach. Bit of an early morning for us. Got to the airport on time for our 9 a.m. departure back to Sydney. Yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.